Hi, welcome. Today I want to talk about our project, the portable lubricant oil changer. If you want to get more information and detail about our project, stay tuned.
When I'm lonely, all the corners of my mind start racing. Things that should be kept in the basement, spend my time trying to erase them. But when you hold me in the fantasy, it's so convincing. I shouldn't think the things I'm thinking, but now I've gone and let them sink in. The more that I push them away, the more that you're stuck in my brain, the more I mentally undress like in a phase. I get dirty thoughts about you, they get worse when I'm without you. Does that mean that I'm going to hell?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Ihsan bin Muhammad Nasir. Today I want to talk about our project introduction. In the current era of globalization, there are many motorcycle workshops open everywhere. There are workshops that are open on a large scale but also on a small scale. The equipment used for these two types of workshop are also very different. Larger scale workshop usually use a more sophisticated and expensive tool. This project aims to address the problems faced by motorcycle mechanics. Among the problems encountered is damage to the engine oil cover. This damage occurs due to the process of opening and closing the engine oil cover. Next, the process of opening the engine oil cover is very difficult because some motorcycles have a cover that is under the motorcycles. This complicates the motorcycle mechanic to reach the cover to remove the engine oil. In addition, the process of changing the engine oil also can contaminate the mechanic's hand and contaminate the workshop area if not treated properly. Therefore, we designed a tool that is able to solve the problem as described above. By using this machine, the mechanic no longer has to open the cover under the engine and does not have to use a lot of energy. In addition, the time taken has also been short to make the mechanic able to change the black oil of the motorcycle with more.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zahid Mesari. Firstly, our project scope is include with tank water with a capacity of 15 liters. Secondly, this machine has 3 meter hose that can be used at the wide area. Lastly, it is easy to handle because this machine has 4 wheels and the weight of this machine is only 25 kg. In our project, the material that we use to finish this project are gear pump, steel iron, aluminium, battery motorcycle with 12 volt, rubber wheel, plastic tank, silicone hose, wire, switch and plywood.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zazi bin Zari. This project objective are to produce time-saving product for the oil changing process. Second, to reduce importance for cleaning during process from oil droplet cleaning. Lastly, to prevent damage of engine oil covers screw from wear during process.
Our project think I split part by part, and to join this element together, we apply the welding procedure, then to generate suction power to off brake on. We apply cable to carry electrical current from the battery to the pump. Then for plywood, we apply drilling and screw techniques.
First of all, you need to push this tool near to the motorcycle. You put the brake on to make sure there has no movement during the process. Then, you open this cap of engine and put the wire into the engine. After that, we on the switch, and then after it has done, we need to switch off this and put back the hose into the bucket.
Here, this is the project test. After we open the engine cap, we need to take hose and put it in the engine. And we can switch on the pump. As you can see after this, the oil will suck into the hose and put into the tank. Okay, 1, 2, 3. After 5 minutes, we have successfully started the lubricant from the engine and put it in the tank. So you can see the tank is full of the lubricant. Then switch off the pump. Okay. The time taken for this process is just only 5 minutes. So I will explain a little about its benefit. So this project is very eco-friendly because it doesn't contaminate the workplace area. As you can see, no droplets out there, and it doesn't contaminate the negative hands. Okay, this project is user-friendly due to it doesn't seem to use a lot of manpower for using it. Other than that, it is so portable. As you can see, we can push or put it easier around the workplace. Last but not least, the cost for this project is nearly 300 only. It's so cheap compared to the other machine oil changer out there. Thank you so much for the video.